Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your GTAV is updated and backed up. This prevents version conflicts later. Once done, install Rage plugin hook because Lspdfr depends on it, and place the Lspdfr SE and plugin files into the game root. Make sure your anti-cheat or mods manager is disabled while installing, and verify file timestamps. Finally, run Rage once to generate default folders so the mod can populate its config. This avoids permission errors when you proceed. Next, you install core companion mods, EUP for uniforms, ELS for lights if needed, and a trusted trainer for freeing controls. Make sure each plugin version matches your Lspdfr and Rage build. Mismatches cause crashes. Once files are placed, open Lspdfr. Inai and set language, dispatch behavior, spawn distances, and your preferred keybinds because those values determine in-game behavior. Then, check load order so SE plugins load after Rage. This order matters for stability, and to finish, run the game with Rage plugin hook and trigger the Lspdfr spawn command. You should appear as an officer with your selected vehicle and active dispatch. If something fails, make incremental changes. Disable new plugins, restore your backup, and test plugins individually to isolate the culprit. Also, enable Rage and Lspdfr logs to capture errors, since most crashes point to version mismatches or conflicting. SE files, once fixed, re-enable features gradually and enjoy stable patrols.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.